Many people are wondering if there is life after death. Others are sure they have the answer. Then again, there are people who are wondering, is there life before death? Hello again, welcome to the Micro. My name is Ebo, let me be your guide to the unseen world. In the simplest form, is life just a bunch of molecules, who are doing simple tasks and working together? Science has decided that such a bundle must replicate by their own. So virus is ASOL. But looking at it this way, the question becomes, why is there death? When the molecules are pulled away, then there can't be a cooperation anymore. Seems logical. You can call that a violent death. When circumstances do not change, still the molecules can decide to not do their task anymore. The molecules are still the same, but they refuse to work anymore. In the case of an invasion of parasitic life, a cell can choose to kill itself. That's called apoptosis. It is an important part of our body's self-defense. But most of the time they stop because there is not enough energy anymore. Molecules decides to quit their job, they will be eaten by bacteria. These organisms changes the molecules to other molecules and they have to work again or are changed into energy. Molecular existence sucks big time. Those bacteria can be eaten by bigger organisms, where they are used for life. Life needs life to exist, that's the world we live in. It makes you wonder. Eat or be eaten system is the reason why life evolves. You need to be better than your adversaries and made you to what you are today. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please consider subscribing and giving a like. It will help this channel so much.